and the previous video become very long, that's why we start another video. Here the basic of mathematics, basic operations. बेसिक ऑपरेशंस तो आप जानते हैं, जैसे कि हम बात कर लेते हैं एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन and division and comparison. So addition, everybody knows what is addition, okay, but we will discuss more things in addition. With addition, the symbol representing the addition is plus sign, okay. Suppose we have a number 2 and another number 3. In between them, if we put this symbol, it means we have to equal it. It becomes 2 plus 3 equal to 5. इसका मतलब यही ही है addition. It's nothing, it's simple. And subtraction, suppose I write 5, here 2, we put between these two numbers a sign like that, then it becomes 3. Addition, subtraction. Now multiplication, 2. If we put this sign, it is a symbol for multiplication. Addition, subtraction, symbol for multiplication, that symbol is used. For division, that symbol is used. And for comparison, here these two signs are used, where less than or greater than, you know, something is less than, this open side shows that on this side thing is greater object, we place that side, means if here like that, here on that mouth of that symbol, the greater thing we have to put on, okay. So this is the multiplication and division. Division we can like that, 2, we take 4, here 2, then symbol we put between them, then it becomes equal to 2 2s are 4. We have to divide it by 4. Like that, we can divide in smaller classes. We divide like that, 2 2s are 4, 0, and we also write this thing like that, okay. 4 upon 2 is also a division. It becomes 2 upon 1. Cancel out 2. It's become 2. So these all things represent the division process. You know, आप जानते ही हैं ये सारी चीजें, okay. Now look at sign convention. How sign changes while doing these operations. Previously we discussed addition, multiplication. So I take a random any of the number to understand the sign, how the sign changes. Suppose 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3. Here we check the addition and subtraction simultaneously, okay. Addition and subtraction simultaneously. If the sign here the sign plus in the front of 2 and also the sign in front of 2, 3, both are positive, then here sign become positive and the number is become 2 plus 3 5. Again here the sign is plus, this sign become negative, then the number which is greater and in the operation, then opposite signs will be subtracted, then the quantity, because the quantity becomes negative, that means sign of the negative sign comes here like that, 2 plus 2 and 3. So we can like here we place here 3 in equal, and no sorry, minus 3 plus 2 it becomes 1, and sign minus, again here plus, sorry, here minus and here plus, then again same operation, dissimilar signs, plus and minus, dissimilar signs, the operation is addition or subtraction, so it the highest, the greater value is 3, so the greater value is 3 plus 3, so sign of greater value comes here and the operation becomes subtraction, means यहाँ पर जो ऑपरेशन होगा वो सब्ट्रैक्शन किया जाएगा, और ठीक है साइन जो भी संख्या यहाँ पर बड़ी होती है उसका साइन यहाँ पर हम लेते हैं, इट मीन्स यहाँ पर 1 आएगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, मतलब ऑपरेशन जो हो रहा है वो सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, लेकिन जो साइन है, साइन कन्वेंशन की बात करें तो साइन कौन सा यहाँ पर आएगा, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव साइन यहाँ से उठकर चला जाएगा, ठीक है। ये मुझे टिप क्लोज करनी पड़ती है क्योंकि इसका साउंड आता होगा आपको तो अच्छा नहीं लगता होगा, लेकिन टिप क्लोज इसलिए करनी कि मार्कर्स की इंक शायद सूख सकती है, इसलिए। अगेन यहाँ पर देखेंगे it is negative and also this one is negative, मतलब both sign are negative in the front of these numbers, इन दोनों नंबर के सामने दोनों ही साइन नेगेटिव हैं, तो क्या होगा, ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया जाएगा, सिमिलर साइंस ऑपरेशन इज एडिशन, द सिमिलर साइंस operation is addition and dissimilar signs operation is subtraction, and the quantity after the subtraction the value which is greater and which is greater in the front of the sign is come in the front of the answer sign, okay, answer the value which is come here in front of that sign came. Understood clearly? My voice is now clear. In previous video my voice is not clear, I know, maybe it's a less sound coming in previous videos. So -2 and -3, the operation perform addition, 3 plus 2 become 5, and the sign is this, both of sign is also the greater values in the front of greater value, the sign which is placed here we have to place here. So like that it is the addition and subtraction process, है ना, addition subtraction process done in between any of the number, किसी भी नंबर के बीच में जो ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया जाता है वो इस तरीके से किया जाता है, ठीक है। ये थोड़ी बेसिक चीजें अभी जानने की हमें बहुत जरूरत है, इसलिए हमने एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन को साथ में यहाँ पर देख लिया। इससे हमें क्या कंक्लूजन मिला, सिमिलर साइंस एट similar signs in front of any of the number add, and dissimilar dissimilar sign will be subtracted. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख दिया, ठीक है, ओके, इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म. सिमिलर साइंस become add and dissimilar signs become subtracted in this kind of operation. You looking like आप देख रहे हैं. और ये सिम्बॉल्स कौन सा किस लिए यूज होता है उसके बारे में भी हम थोड़ी सी सारी डिटेल्स देख लेंगे. सिम्बॉल्स को क्या बोलते हैं वो भी देखेंगे, पर उसके पहले नहीं, यहाँ पर बेसिक ऑपरेशंस में ये बात की, ठीक है. अब इसके बाद आगे चलते हैं. इसको पहले रब कर देते हैं, इसके बाद चलते हैं आगे. अब देखिए यहाँ पर 4 2 4 2 इनके बीच में मैं एक ऑपरेटर लगाता हूँ, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, है ना. सभी में मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन लगा दिया. अब जो नंबर्स हैं इनके फ्रंट में मैं साइन लगाता हूँ, ठीक है. सपोज बोथ साइड प्लस, ओके. यहाँ पर अब एक चीज और नोटिस कीजिएगा, जहाँ पर साइन नहीं होता है ना नंबर के सामने, उसको भी पॉजिटिव ही कंसिडर किया जाता है ना. साइन नहीं होता है उसको भी हम पॉजिटिव कंसिडर करते हैं, और साइन यदि है तो इट्स अ गुड थिंग. साइन विल गिव यू, है ना, बेटर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट. बट यदि यहाँ साइन नहीं है तो भी ये पॉजिटिव ही नंबर कहलाता है. अब ये 4, नाउ इट इज नेगेटिव. This will be negative, this will be positive. If it is negative and both are negative, so what happens, we see 4 and 2 become multiply 8 and symbol plus and plus. With the multiplication of plus and plus it becomes plus. Means यहाँ पर हमें क्या मिल रहा है, plus into plus, it's become plus. Similarly again plus and minus, different operators, ये multiply होंगे, plus into minus, it becomes minus. Again here minus and plus, minus into plus become again minus, and minus and minus, minus into minus becomes plus. So यहाँ पर साइन सिंबल आ गया, यहाँ पर सिंबल आ गया माइनस, and this is 8, minus 8. Because in the multiplication always the multiplication gives 4 into 2 8, okay, and only the sign will change according to the that symbols. This is negative and this become negative becomes gives positive. The multiplication of negative and negative signs becomes positive. It means what is clear in mind, that opposite similar sign when we multiply it gives positive. Similar sign on multiplication gives मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर हमें पॉजिटिव ही दे रहा है. Similar sign gives है ना, positive sign, but similar signs give positive. Similar signs gives positive signs on multiplication. Look here also, negative and negative both are similar signs. When they are multiplied it gives positive sign. And the dissimilar signs, dissimilar signs when they are multiplied, this is the multiplied operator, it's not x, okay. So plus into minus it becomes minus. Means dissimilar signs multiplied and gives negative sign. Again here also same, here also negative sign. Dissimilar signs when multiply with each other gives negative. Look at here, if I write both numbers like that, 4 into 2 है ना, and it is 8, it means 4 into 2 multiplied with 8, it's a positive 8. Okay, so like that we can write numbers also. This is the multiplication term. Understand the operation. Again after the division. चलिए, now see here division. Okay, so I place the division symbol here. Now placing that symbol, I will place signs here for better understanding of signs. Positive, this also positive. Okay, positive, and this is negative, this is negative, this is positive, and this is negative in front of 4, and here also negative. Okay, so negative 4, negative 2, negative 4, positive 2, positive 4, and negative 2, positive 4 and positive 2. So what the outcomes we have, हमें क्या outcomes मिल रहा है देखते हैं. We divide 4 by 2, it becomes 2. Also here same, always the operation or division gives same value 2. But look what happens now. Similar signs. Okay, positive and positive, similar signs gives similar sign, means it becomes positive. Again this यहाँ पर है dissimilar sign, यहाँ पर दिख रहा है dissimilar signs, so dissimilar signs gives negative, dissimilar signs gives negative, similar signs gives positive. So theory is said that always the similar signs with operation gives positive, similar signs gives positive, and dissimilar signs, okay, the operation between dissimilar signs gives negative. So that's the concept I want to taught you. Okay, I am going to taught you that concept. So for that concept I will do this all kind of the processes. So what the conclusion is? Operation between similar sign values give positive sign in conclusion. Similarly, operation between dissimilar sign values will give negative sign. End result. Understood? Plus 2 into plus 2 it's give, और यदि हम यहाँ plus 2 नहीं भी लिखें तो ये plus 2 ही रहेगा. It means plus 4. It's multiplication operation between them. Plus 4. Understood? Minus 2 into minus 2 it becomes 4, but positive 4. Minus 2 into plus 2 becomes 4, negative 4, like that. So इस चीज़ों से हमने समझ लिया कि हमें क्या थ्योरी आपको बतानी थी, क्या कंक्लूजन आपको प्रोवाइड करवाना था. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. वीडियो को लंबा ना करते हुए मैं छोटे ही वीडियो बनाना चाहूँगा ताकि आप सभी उतना ही देखें और उसको उतने को ही अच्छे से सीखें, उतने पे ही काम करें. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे. हैव ए ग्रेट डे. मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सपोर्ट कीजिए, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। धन्यवाद। हैव ए नाइस, हैव ए ग्रेट डे।